Good morning, Bird Brains. Welcome back to episode 8 of the Fat Bob build series, where we are taking what used to be a plain old Harley-Davidson Fat Bob 114 and turning it into a badass one-of-a-kind machine. If that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. And while you're at it, check out our 3 previous builds down in the description. Today, we're hopefully going to get this clutch finished up and maybe give the bike a little bit of a facelift. Let's get into it. So in case you missed last episode, I'll go ahead and recap it real quick. We got in this brand new shiny part from Roland Sands Design. Very nice, very sexy. Has a clear little window here that you can see through into the transmission, or the clutch I should say. And then we realized that this right here indicates that this is not the correct part. But no big deal because it can go on the touring bike. So we had to reorder the part from our friends over at Get Lowered. And now we have the correct part. So that will be the first thing that we'll be doing today, and depending on how much trouble that gives us, we will be moving on to the fairing and windshield along with the turn signal inserts from our friends over at Rogue Rider Industries. So without any further ado, let's see if we can finally get this clutch put back together. Alright guys, back with a quick update. I know it probably wasn't very long on the video, so I apologize for that. It was a lot of very tedious, time-consuming crap. It took me 30 minutes to get that clutch cover on, mostly because I'm lazy and didn't take the exhaust off, so that's kind of on me, but came out really nice. I really like the way it looks. I can't wait to see once we get that style cover onto the cam cover here. I think it's gonna look really good. And then up top, I know you guys are probably saying, that's not the way you put a clutch light on. Trust me, I know, but there was not very much slack between the interior cable and the exterior shielding. So that was literally the only way I could get it on, was just to kind of yak it on there with pure ginger hand strength. But we got it on there. It seems operational. I won't know until we get the bike, you know, running and off the lift. Speaking of, the next thing I'm going to move on to is the kickstand. Reason being is that once we get it off the lift, I have to set it onto the kickstand in order to level out the transmission oil. The bike has to be resting in order for the dipstick to read properly. But that shouldn't take too long. Oh God, what did I just do? But depending on how long that takes, we'll go ahead and move on to the Memphis Shades fairing, as well as the Rogue Rider Industries turn signal inserts. Let's get back to work.
Do you pledge to the Biker Bird Patreon?
It'd be a lot cooler if you did.
Exclusive behind the scenes footage, Discord group chat access, discounts on merch, pledges to the monthly give back. All of this and more could be yours by simply visiting the Patreon link below. Handlebars, helmets, Cardo communicators, and much more are on the give back list, where we select 3 winners every single month. So get the lead out of your panties and click that link. Now, back to the video.
check it. Hey, check it. Put the place up. Put the place up. Yeah, we know what we made of.
Well guys, that is it. She's all wrapped up for now. Of course, I still have to do the transmission and everything like that, but that's actually gonna be next episode. We're gonna be filling it with transmission oil and then taking it down to Cowboys Alamo City Harley Davidson to get the cruise control turned on, the brakes flushed, and I think that's it. But very happy with how this turned out. Memphis Shades Road Warrior fairing, 13-inch smoked windscreen, turned out exactly like I wanted it to. And then up here we have our Rogue Rider Industries turn signal inserts. They did send me clear lenses, which is what I asked for, but I do want to incorporate some orange into this build to commemorate the orange spacesuits that they wore on the space shuttle. So I don't know if I'm set on the orange lenses or if I'm gonna switch over to the clear. I will probably be removing these, but I don't wanna make any final decisions until the bike is painted. Now, of course, I know it's only 30 seconds of work. It's not hard, but I'm still trying to just kind of keep my vision on the end goal. But other than that, every product that you see on this bike is gonna be listed down in the description, including all the ones that we put on today's episode. So if you want anything on this bike, go ahead and check out those links. They are affiliate links, so if you purchase anything using those, it does help out the channel and I do appreciate it. Other than that, if you like this video, go and hit that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and punch that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.